Hey guys, welcome back to another Beyblade unboxing. And in this video, we're going to finish our triple set off with a Hazard Kerbeus. Looks really nice, and we'll see what it looks like out of the box. Alright, so up first we've got our layer, Hazard Kerbeus. And just like Guardian Kerbeus, each side has a little bound gimmick. Doesn't push in very far, but it could be pretty good for defense. Next up we have the 7 disc. It's painted a nice beautiful green color, and got 4 stars on the back, so that's pretty nice. Uneven disc. May not be the best for defense, but it looks really good. Next up we have the Atomic Driver. That was a very good defense driver, since it's got a ball tip and this thing around it. It's got nice life after death, even though it's very outclassed in the meta nowadays. Back then it was very good. But we'll see what it looks like with the stickers on now. So here's what the layer looks like after putting on all the stickers. I'm gonna put it together, see what it sounds like. It clicks. They feel alright. Good for a defense type. But now we'll go to the stadium and see how it does. Here we are at the stadium, and now we're gonna see how it does. Up first, the Kerbeus before this, Guardian Kerbeus. It shouldn't lose to its previous evolution, hopefully. But it might just lose. Yeah, it won. Easy outspin. Alright, next up, Magneto Boros. Yeah, those guards with the bound really helped it with defense. Easy outspin. Next up, Galaxy Zeus. Alright, easy outspin there. Next up, we have Breaker Excalibur with the new dagger frame that I just got from the new set from this set. Alright, easy. Next up, Slash Valkyrie. Alright. Next up, Dread Bahamut. I'm sure it'll outspin because Bahamut has the wall frame, but you know, we'll see. Spin equalization might help it out a bit. easy, like, hard outspin there. Next up, Slash Valkyrie, or Savior Valkyrie. Ooh, it bursted there, but it also ringed it out first. So I'll take that one as a win. Alright. Last up, we have Vanish Fafnir. I think it might lose here. Vanish is quite good. Oh, Fafnir might steal all this spin. He might OS. No, he didn't. Alright, we'll give him one more chance here. A lot of hits here. Yeah, I got outspun again. Alright, final thoughts on this. I think it's pretty good. It looks nice. Especially disc and the driver look really nice. It's a good defense layer with the bound on the layer, even though it is pretty old. But until next time, have a good day.